Hello, welcome back to the session on material handling and facilities planning. Now we will start the fifth module. The fifth module consists of these topics, that is basic material handling systems, selection, material handling method, part, equipment, function oriented system. In this session we will see the selection of material handling equipment and the importance of material handling. Now, in the previous sessions, we have already seen what is meant by material handling and what are the objectives of material handling and what are the type of material handling equipment that is available in the market and how we have to design a material handling system for a particular manufacturing plant. So, we will just recollect all these things again. What are the factors that has to be taken into account while we select a material handling equipment? So these are the factors we are to consider while we select a material handling equipment for a manufacturing plant, and they are the property of the material, layout and characteristics of the building, production flow, cost considerations, nature of operations, engineering factors, equipment, reliability. Now in the previous sessions we have seen each parameters and we have discussed it in detail. So we will just see this and we will go to the next portion. Next is again this is material handling. We have discussed that this also. Material handling means it's providing the right amount of right material in the right condition at the right place at the right time in the right position for the right cost by using right method. Or it can be also defined as it is the arts and science of conveying, elevating, positioning, transporting, packaging and storing of material. This is material handling. Now the objectives of material handling, as we know, the primary objective, the main objective is to reduce the number of handling as well as the overall cost of material handling equipment and reducing the distance through which the materials are handled. So, why this material handling is important? And that is, if we consider any manufacturing plant which is producing a particular component, so many operations are taking place there, from the purchase of the raw material. The raw material is transported from the location where it is available and that is taken to the plant site and it is stored there, and from that storage location this material at the right quantity is taken and again it is transported to the processing section. So the final product which is coming out from this manufacturing plant may be going through a different number of operations. It can be 10 or 20 operations. So different workstations will be there and the material will be passing through all these workstations according to the as per the processing sequence. So from the storage location, the material will be first taken to the first processing unit. There a part of this operations will be completed and from there it will be taken to the next processing unit. So there the handling of this material is taking place and it is transported. The handling and the transportation is taking place. So this can be done by many methods. If it is a single component, we can manually that can be taken to the next processing unit. And if it is a mass production system, then the number of products, the number of components will be very high. So that means we have to choose a certain material handling equipment for that. So from the first station, that components, the total unit will be taken using a material handling equipment to the next station. And we have to see the distance traveled by the material also. So, considering all these factors, we are choosing the material handling equipment. And after completing different operations, we are getting the final product. So, if the manufacturing plant is not having a suitable material handling equipment system, what happens is delays may be taking place. The distance traveled by the material will be high sometimes, and so that means the material will, or the semi-finished product will not reach the next workstation at the correct time, at the right time. So there may be idle time will be there, and idle time in the sense both machine idle time and the manpower, the labor idle time. So all these are increasing the manufacturing cycle time. So what happens is, if the manufacturing cycle time increases, the cost of production increases, and that means the profit decreases. So it is very important that a suitable material handling system is there in a manufacturing plant. And it has been found out from many observations that around 50 to 60 times the material it is handled unnecessarily, and so that means it is 20 to 25% of total manufacturing cost is actually because of the unnecessary handling, the cost related to the unnecessary handling. So we have to consider all this, and we have to reduce the handling of this material, unnecessary handling of this material, and the distance traveled by the material also has to be reduced. So this is the main aim of this, and so that is the importance of this material handling. Now we will see the first point it improves the efficiency of a production system by ensuring the right quantity of material delivered at the right place at the right time most economically. This we already discussed it, but as points it is given, and it cut down the indirect labor cost, reduces the damage of material during the storage and movement. So we have seen that it is handling and transportation and storage of this materials. So each time we are handling it, there is a possibility for happening this damage. So if we are having a suitable material handling system, all this can be eliminated. And then the next point is maximize space utilization by proper storage of materials, and thereby reduce storage and handling cost. And then minimize accident during material handling, reduce overall cost by improving material handling, and improves customer service by supporting materials in a manner convenient for handling, and also increase efficiency and the scalability of plant and equipment with integral materials handling features. So these are the points, that is why this material handling is important in a manufacturing plant. So in this session we have seen, we have recalled the previous, the topic we have discussed in the previous sessions, and also we have seen what is the importance of material handling and how it is relevant. So thank you.